The Feurich 218 is our flagship concert grand piano. It's a unique concept behind this piano, based 100% on the design of Stephen Paulello. The precision engineering and the choice of the tone woods involved in the construction go towards producing a sound which is simply stunning across the entire range. As with any piano, the first and most important choice is the soundboard. For the Feurich 218, we've chosen the finest quality spruce soundboard to produce that amazing sound. You can see that the large surface area in the piano makes for a large soundboard going towards that amazing large sound. Looking inside the piano, we can see that extra wide angles are used to maximise the effect of string length. Every inch of the piano is used to maximise the speaking length of the string, increasing the bass response from the instrument and making it very easy to tune. The frame of the piano is specially designed by Stephen Paulello, and it's notable for its accuracy across the entire range. The excellent design of the frame can easily be tested out when playing the piano. You can hear very consistent tone across the entire range, even at the crossover points where the bars of the frame are located. The specially designed frame is light and absorbs very little of the sound energy in the treble register. This means that the sound on the top of the piano is brilliant and pure and clean. There's also the addition of duplex scaling, which again adds to the brilliance and the harmonics produced in the treble area, while also creating a very accurate downbearing on the bridge, which of course is then transmitted to the soundboard. And this helps to produce that long and clear sustain that we can easily hear in the 218. In addition, the 218 also features triplex scaling to add even more brilliance, warmth and overtones to the sound in general. Only the finest of components have been selected for use in the Feurich 218. Special attention has gone into making this a very durable and long-lasting instrument built to withstand the rigours of any concert venue. We have a specially designed multi-laminated pin block implemented in the 218 in order to ensure resistance to climatic changes over the long term. This also ensures a very high degree of tuning stability. In the 218, we also make use of Stephen Paulello's rust-free string wire. This is critical in maintaining a pure sound over time, especially in any concert environment. Looking inside the action, we can see that the keys themselves are made of solid timber. Solid timber being lighter than multi-laminated keys, and of course, lighter keys lead to a lighter touch. There's very little lead weights inside the keys, meaning less inertia, making the piano very easy to play, very gently, and also offering a range all the way up to the loudest of fortissimos. At Feurich, every component in our actions are made and designed by us personally. This means that only the highest quality components are used. For example, there's not one single piece of plastic in any of the components. Plastic just does not provide the elasticity required for a piano of this quality. Under the keys, there's a special felt, which is treated with a special substance to make sure that the felt retains its shape over even many years of use. For the Feurich 218, we decided to use the highest of quality Renner hammerhead felts. This was after many years of research. We decided upon this because these felts offered exactly the perfect sound for this piano. There are hardwood reinforcements around the contact points on the keys, and there are special high quality felts around many of the contact points in order to ensure a smooth playing feel. Underneath the keybed, there's a large, solid piece of timber which ensures there's no warping or change in shape over time. The action itself is made entirely of high quality and precision engineered components from solid Austrian timber, as well as hand chosen felts for each of the key parts. The damper wire used in the Feurich 218 is straight and perpendicular, meaning that there's no friction involved when the dampers move. There's also specially chosen felts around the damper wires, which mean that there's no wobbling involved. Of course, low friction here is very desirable because friction would mean a higher perceived key weight, and what we can see is that the 218 is exceptional in its touch response thanks to this precision engineering. For the Feurich 218, we've put in extra special effort in maintaining our tradition of combining the best aspects of traditional piano design with our modern approach to innovation. And this can be seen with many of the modern extra features on the Model 218, which many pianists will surely appreciate. For example, we now have the addition of an anti-glare LED light integrated as standard on this model. It's easy to operate with a button at the back behind the music wrist. On the other hand, the music stand is a traditional design. There's holes there which allow the sound to transmit through to the player and give it this classic European look. There's also the traditional Feurich designed pedal with the angle sloping towards the player, making it much easier and comfortable to play. There are extra large wheels in the Model 218 which make it easy to reposition and move around to find that perfect spot for any concert. There's also the addition of a soft fall system for safety. And the piano itself is available in various colours with a choice of two interior finishes. We have brass with red felts, or alternatively there's chrome with black felts. And as with any Feurich grand piano, there's always the option to have the piano installed with a fourth pedal, the harmonic pedal. And this is something which you can see in action in other Feurich videos. So we've seen that the Feurich 218 Concert Grand is an instrument which couples a unique design, the highest of standards in precision engineered components. The use of quality tone woods throughout the instrument result in a sound which is simply stunning across the entire range. The attention to detail and the choice of felts and components in the specially made Feurich action mean that this is a very playable piano which will appeal to even the most demanding of concert pianists. Special effort has been put into making this one of the most durable and reliable instruments on the market today. It's also intended to withstand the rigours of concert hall use for many years to come. Some of the modern innovations on the instrument also help to set this instrument apart from the competitors for a concert grand of this size. But it must be said that the one distinguishing feature about this instrument, the one that makes it unbeatable for a piano at this price point, is its simply stunning sound, which has to be tried out to be believed. We hope you get the chance to try one of these great instruments at one of our many Feurich partners worldwide sometime soon.